Hey, what is up, guys? Today we're working on this Kenmore Series 600 dryer. Problems we have is it doesn't heat. I'm going to show you how to fix it real quick. It's really simple and easy. We have to remove this part right here. I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. I'll be posting a link down below where you can buy the parts that we need. They're really inexpensive, so just make sure you click on the link down below. And it comes in this box. This is all it comes with it. I'll show you how to replace and how to fix your dryer. Stay tuned. In order to remove this back part, we have to remove 9 screws. As you can see, there's one here, 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 there, and then same thing on this side, here, there, and there. In order to remove the screws, we're gonna need a 1/4 socket, just like this one. And I'm going to be using a drill just to speed up the process. All right, now that the 9 screws are out, we can already just remove this. You can just pull just like that, and this part will come out. All right, now we have the heating element right here, and all the other components are right here. Usually, I mean, with my experience, I have usually the thing that goes wrong is the heating element, which is this one right here. I'll show you how to replace it. On the kit that you buy, there's a lot of extra parts. Sometimes these parts go bad. You can check with a multimeter. I don't have one at the moment. But yeah, you can replace this part. There's also this part. This part is right here as well. This part, all of those are here on the kit that you buy. But like I said, judging with my experience, the thing that goes wrong is the heating element. I'll show you how to replace that one. So there's 2 screws that we have to remove, one right here and the other one right here. And then this part, you should just pull it out just like that, and it comes out. Okay, so like I said, I don't have a multimeter to check if it's good. It will be easier to check with the multimeter. But what you can do is also you can inspect it just like that. So you see this little spring. You can inspect it and see if it's broken. And if it's broken, then that's your problem. In this case, I don't know if you can see right here. You see right there. So this is our problem. It broke right there. So that's why it doesn't work anymore. So, I mean, like I said, usually this is the part that goes wrong on these dryers. So now we know this is a problem. We're just gonna replace the heating element and we should be up and running. So to remove the heating element, this is the only thing we have to remove. All right, now we're going to be removing these 2 cables. Just make sure how they go. So let's pull this part right here. There. And then this one right here. You can just wiggle it out and it should come out. There. Okay, so this is the old one. And this is the new one. As you can see, it doesn't have this part right here. But we have it here on the kit that it came with. So let's open this up. And let's install it the same way it's here. All right, to put this part is really easy. So this hole that's here, you can just look at this one the way it is. So this is what we're gonna do. Just put it here like this. Then we're gonna bend it a little bit and put this part right here. Okay, it's going in. Okay. All right, there we go. All right, we have it ready. You can see perfect fit. Now what we have to do, we just put it back over here, and then we plug in everything back. There. All right, now remember, this one goes up here just like that, and this one goes right here just like that. All right guys, that's pretty much it for the heating element. Now if you need to replace these fuses right here or this one, it's really easy. As you can see, you just pull and replace the parts, and the extra parts are right here. They come in the kit. So that's it. I'm going to be putting back the metal part, and then we're gonna go test it out, see if it works. All right, metal back is in, 9 screws all around. Now let's connect it back and we'll test it out. All right, dryer's in, connected. Let's test it out to see if it works. So let me press this button right here so we can turn it on with the door open. Let me see. Okay, let's go down here, and if we see this part turning red, as you can see now, it means it's working. That's the heating element turning on. So I can already feel heat coming out. So dryer is fixed. If this video helped you in any way, please consider subscribing. Let me know down below in the comments if this video helped you in any way. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, peace.